Hello guys, so it is our last day in Morar in Western Scotland. We have had a fantastic few days and we're now moving on. We're going further north. This last day the weather was turning big time and a storm was forecast for the Saturday when we will be travelling right up the west coast to Lochinver. Hello guys, our final day in Morar today. As you can see behind me, what a glorious time we've had, and a lot of wind today. I'm a bit togged up with wet gear because there's forecast of rain, but it's not here yet. And what a week we've had. So many different places to see, sightings, looking across the Isle of Skye, the boat trip we had, and last night, top it off, we've been putting the Trailcam out outside the cottage we're staying in, and almost nothing. Got a great tip, seagull, something is eating the food. Couldn't work out what it was last night. I'll put up what we saw on the Trailcam. Absolutely fantastic. Well, when I said that something had been eating all the food that we'd left out, I didn't mean this herring gull. Great big bird, literally cleaned out the food. So we put some more food back out that night. It's a pine martin. I've never seen one of those before, certainly not in our area in England. Absolutely wonderful to capture it on the camera trap. The pine martin is about the size of a small cat, and they're really rare in the UK. There's about 3,500 of them left, mostly in Scotland, a few in England and a few in Wales. This one came back that evening before it got dark. They're from the mustelid family, which includes stoats, weasels and otters. Their main diet is rodents, rabbits, small birds, berries and eggs. We saw some wonderful wildlife in Scotland, but this was right up there. These beautiful little animals were once trapped for their fur to the point of extinction, but now they're making a slow but sure recovery. This was Boar Black Beach on our first day in Morar. And here we are on our last day. There were some breaks in the cloud. Private beach, is it? I know it's not a private beach, but it feels like it. we are going to miss Morar. But let's see what tomorrow brings as we head further up towards the north coast.